Today we're doing a makeup video. I'm trying on brand new makeup, both drugstore and high-end. If this is your first time here, my name is Lenora T, aka Bansa Diva. Thanks for coming. Have you subscribed? Have you liked? Don't forget to share. We have so much fun on here. We do makeup, we do everything beauty, and we also do just general lifestyle stuff. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe. And if this is not your first time here, thank you so much for coming back. But the ultimate question is, have you subscribed? And honestly, I don't like to force people to subscribe. If you like my content, please subscribe. That way you don't miss my videos when I post. But if you don't like my content but you still like to watch my videos, you don't have to subscribe. It's okay. I'm not gonna force you, but hey, it's not gonna change anything, right? So you might as well, right? Anyway, thank you so much. I'm gonna cue the next video and I'll see you guys on the next one. First, I'm gonna start with the NYX Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Primer. I've heard so many good things about it. I've heard people comparing it with Becca. And Becca's $40 and I don't have $40, okay? If you're wondering what's on my brows, this is the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel. It's supposed to last 2 weeks on your eyebrows. Not 2 weeks, wait. I don't know, but it's supposed to last more than a day on your eyebrows unless you go in and scrub it off. But if you do this, it doesn't come off. So I really like it because I have really sparse brows. And even if I'm not doing makeup, I like to put it on and go. It's kind of dark, so I try to put a little bit, but I really love this product. Next, I'm gonna go in and do my brows with the Benefit Ultra Fine Brow Defining Pencil in number 5. I know I stopped doing the brows before face routine, but I noticed that my makeup looks better when I do my brows and my eyes first. So yeah, I know I already put the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel there, but I'm just gonna use this to make it more perfect because I honestly just did it to go to church and it's still on there and I can't really take it off. So I'm just gonna go ahead with my Benefit Brow Pencil and define it basically. If you like soft brows, the NYX Professional Makeup, the NYX Micro Brow Pencil will work perfectly. This is the shade Chocolate. It's really not as pigmented as the other two, but it'll give you that natural, yeah, I don't know how to say it. It'll give you that natural brow look. But yeah, let's go ahead and do our eyebrows with this pencil. Now I'm gonna go in with the Black Opal Total Coverage Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. I'm gonna use Topaz as well. Topaz is lighter than this. I think there are 4 shades. I don't know the lightest shade, but there's Topaz, which is lighter than this. Then this is Beautiful Bronze. Then you have Hazelnut that is darker than this. So I went for this shade because it's not too light or too dark. But I'm gonna mix a little bit of Topaz to make it a little bit more brighter. I used Topaz before and it was extremely bright, so I'm gonna mix it with this now under my eyebrows and then use this one on its own on top of my eyebrows. This is Topaz and this is Beautiful Bronze, so you can see the difference. This is the Morphe M42 brush. It has a flat head. When I learned how to do makeup, this is the type of brush I learned how to do makeup with. So when I started seeing the angled brushes, and I don't know how people use that honestly, this flat end is what I love, and Morphe had it for like $3, $4, and I really love how it gives that sharp look. I'm gonna use this new brush that I got, the M173 Morphe, to blend this out. To be honest, I don't like how yellow it looks. Hopefully when I put my foundation and everything, it's gonna look better, but I don't like how yellow it looks. So I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. Everyone has been talking about this. I know I've been raving about the Fit Me, but this one is super good, and I'm happy they came up with this because it's super coverage, and whenever I want to use it on like customers and stuff, Fit Me is not full coverage, but this is affordable, and I've already tried it, I've already used it, so I really like it. I'll show you guys that I like it. And they have the stick foundation as well. I've been seeing this blending sponge everywhere. I normally use the regular size one, but this one just, I don't know, it's just so cute, and I'm like, I need to get mine, and I finally got mine. It's just like $2 more, and we're gonna try it out today, and we're gonna see if we like it. We want to make sure it's damp, not wet, not dry, damp. Why do you need NARS? Why do you need MAC when you have Maybelline Super Stay? And that's not even the liquid one. You know what, I'm gonna go ahead and put just a tiny layer of the liquid one, because the one I put was the stick foundation, so I'm just gonna put a little tiny weeny bit. Beep. Next up is concealer. This is the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer in the shade Chestnut. Now we're moving to a little bit more high-end products. I got this concealer. I did not get the foundation, the Jackie Aina one, because I heard that it's not the best for oily skin, so I went ahead and I bought this one. And they compared it a lot to the Tarte, so I was just like, I love Tarte, so I might as well get it. And then I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Matchsticks in Espresso to contour. And then I'm going to use this teensy weensy cute brush to contour my nose. The Morphe M459 is a new brush that I got also to blend out my contour. You want to blend it upward, okay? Now I'm gonna go in and blend in my concealer. Wish me luck. I don't know how this is gonna work, but wish me luck, okay? This is the Real Techniques whatever brush, blending sponge. I'm going to use that to blend my nose because this is too big. Going back in with my foundation brush, I'm going to blend in my concealer and my makeup and my contour so that everything looks seamless, because you don't want any harsh line. Before my concealer creases, I'm gonna go in with my new setting powder, the Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in Banana. I'm low-key scared because it looks white as heaven. It looks really white, but first off, I don't like the application because it's not like the sachet that has the top part, it's just this. So I guess I'm gonna put some on the lid. It's really white. Yeah, using this Real Techniques brush, I'm going to... Oh my god, I hate this lid. Pray for me, guys. Has bad I'll just put it on my leg because yo, I don't have time. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set my contour with this Black Radiance palette that I've been wanting forever. This is the medium to dark. I've been wanting this palette forever, you guys, and I finally laid my hands on it. So I'm gonna use this other brush that's almost like the one I just used, and I'm gonna use the contour shade, and I'm gonna set my contour. Now using what's left over, I'm just gonna go over my nose. I'm gonna use the Sephora Micro Smooth to dust everything up, but I'm gonna leave my under eyes to set while I'm doing my eyeshadow, and then I'll be right back when I'm done with my eyes because my battery is running low. So while I'm doing my eyes, it's gonna be charging, and then I'm gonna come back and finish the rest of my makeup. Hey guys, I'm back. I did my eyes off camera. I used NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. I don't know if you can see it, and I also used the Juvia's the Nubian palette, and I dusted off my my under eye setting powder, and now I'm gonna go in with the Black Radiance what's it called? I don't know what it's called. The Black Radiance powder. I'm gonna use this to bronze my face just a little bit, okay? Using the Black Radiance, all of these products are new, okay? The Black Radiance Big Blush in Warm Berry. I'm low-key scared. I don't like pink blush, but hey. We have to try. So I'm just gonna put a little bit. That's it. Fix Plus. This is the matte setting spray. You have to shake it really hard or it's gonna leave like white residue on your face. And then I tested on my So next I'm gonna go with my lips, and I'm doing the usual, you guys already know, nude lips. I don't like crazy colors, that's not me. And I'm using the NYX Suede Lip Pencil in Club Hopper. This is new as well. I thought it was brown, but it's not, so I guess we'll just make it work. It's like a dark purple. And I'm going in with the NYX Abu Dhabi. Now we're gonna go with the Becca highlighter in Champagne Pop. Now I can say I am done, and I love it. Honestly, makeup is funny. I started with something else in my mind and I ended up with something completely different. But I hope you guys love it because I love it. I did not record this eye tutorial because I really wasn't going to go that deep, and I'm really loving it and I'm wishing I recorded it. So if you guys want to see an eye tutorial on this look, let me know and I'll redo it. I don't mind, I'll redo it. And yeah, Follow me on social media so that you can get all the juice, all the tea. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have fun. I have fun doing this, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.